Guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm sharing with you guys how to prepare walnut scrub easily at home. So as you all know, walnut is incredible ingredient for your skin. It helps in skin lightening, brightening as well as in skin tightening. It helps in removing all types of aging signs like wrinkles, sagging skin, and will just remove all of your pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars instantly. Walnut is an amazing ingredient for your skin, and walnut scrub is one of the best scrubs in the market. There's so many brands which makes walnut scrub. Kylie Skin makes walnut scrub, Everyouth make walnut scrubs, and there's so many brands which makes it. So today I'm just sharing with you guys how you can make it at home. So to prepare the scrub, you firstly gonna need obviously walnuts. So you just gonna need 4 to 5 walnuts, and you just have to crack it open and just remove the nut from it. So now we just have to grind these walnuts so that it makes it to a powder form. So after grinding, your homemade walnut powder will look like this. And now let's prepare the walnut scrub with it. So for that, you firstly have to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of walnut powder in a clean bowl. So here I'm just making a small batch of this scrub, but if you're making a large batch of this, then you can obviously double or triple up the quantity. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of honey into it. Then you're gonna need olive oil, and now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into it. Now after that, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm adding 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice into it. And now after adding the lemon, now I'm just going to mix all of these ingredients really nicely so that it makes into a smooth paste. And now after mixing all of these ingredients, your homemade walnut scrub is ready, and it will look something like this. The scrub will be a little grainy, just like the consistency of the scrub. It will be really smooth and will be of medium consistency. So now I'm just going to show you how to use this scrub. So you just have to take a little amount of this scrub onto your fingers and then just massage your skin gently with it. So just scrub your skin with this walnut scrub for 1 or 2 minutes or until you're comfortable, because this scrub is super gentle. It will not make your skin harsh. So you can scrub your skin until you're comfortable, and after scrubbing your skin nicely, just rinse it using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.